Douglas B., your market manager at the downtown market here in Anniston, Alabama. You're with us on an opening day and you're experiencing 20 vendors who have come in today, most of which are farmers. You will find fresh produce, fresh turnips, fresh green beans. Everything is local, and so that's what we're promoting: buy fresh, buy local. We've got a lot of herbs available here, some antique roses, some good Boursin cheese. We have some more herbs and a good mosquito repellent. Also, we have some cute farmers and some brilliant farmers. And then with our crafts that are also made locally, we have potpourri and soaps. We have jewelry that is made locally, and we have cedar that has been carved. The Interfaith Ministries have brought in several different crafts that they prepare at the Interfaith Ministries area. And then we have a lady that has goat cheese and goat soap. So it's a little bit of everything for everybody. It's been wonderful, and we've had a fabulous turnout. We're right at 300 people who visited us so far this morning. Events that are to come, we have the Children's Hour that will start in just a few minutes, and today it's with Dan Spalding. He's brought in some creepy critters that you'll find from the garden. And then we have the Gypsy Begonias playing music in the background, and then we'll have Katrina with Cheeha Brewery doing our cooking demonstration in the Lowe's Outdoor Kitchen. So that's all upcoming.